channel. It's a bee here, and today I'm so excited because today we are going to be making split chickpeas in the Pakistani style, and we're going to be making in a clay pot on the stove. So let's get started.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make split chickpeas Pakistani style. It's called in Pakistan it's called Chana Dal. For that we need a little bit of green chilies, 1.5 onions, chopped onion, 1.5 tomatoes, a little bit of cloves of garlic, chopped ginger. We need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. We need a little bit of garam masala, and then 1 chicken cube. We will take almost 1 cup of oil, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste. We will use, just to let you know, we will put garlic paste and ginger paste at the beginning, but at the end, when the chickpeas are done, we will cook this and ginger separately in a little bit of oil, vegetable oil, and it's called tareeqa. So it adds a little bit of extra kick to the taste. Let's begin. And we're gonna cook in a gas stove today. Just set off one fire, and this is the clay pot that we're gonna use, and you can see how where to get this clay pot in my other videos. Let's begin. I use this propane, and I'm just gonna open it. Over here, it's gonna be on, and we're gonna turn it on over here. And we're gonna put this pot on top of that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add oil. This is vegetable oil. And we will let it heat up, and then we will add onions. And we're gonna just let it cook for 5 minutes till it becomes a little bit of wet.
I wanna put it here.
Oh. Okay, now we're gonna add tomatoes. And we will saute tomatoes for probably 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and this is national ginger paste. You guys can get it in Edmonton on 34th Avenue. There's so many Pakistani Indian stores that you can get it from. You take 1 teaspoon, put it there. And we're also gonna add 1 national garlic paste. You also can get it from those Indian Pakistani stores. And we're gonna cook this for 2 minutes, and then we will add all the other spices in there. Okay, now we will add all the spices in there. This is 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a chicken cube. This is cumin seed, 1 teaspoon again, and then 4 green chilies, and a little bit of cloves. And we will add everything all at once. We will cook this for 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will actually add the split chickpeas to it. So let's cover it, and oh, the aroma, this is, oh, it's so good. Okay, now look at this, guys. MashaAllah, it looks amazing. It looks really good. I believe this is ready. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna add half split chickpeas to it, and here's the half split chickpeas. And I forgot to add that we added 2 cups of water, and it has to stay in the water for almost 2 to 3 hours so it becomes soft. Now we're gonna add, with the water, we're gonna add the chickpeas in there. half split chickpeas with the water. So as I mentioned earlier, we gotta soak the half split chickpeas in the water so you take 5 to 6 cups of water and 2 cups of split chickpeas, and you soak it for 2-3 hours. Sorry. So now we're gonna cover it and we will cook for 30 to 45 minutes till the chickpeas becomes very soft. इसको बोलने तो जो भी बोल रहा है इट्स ओके. ये तो मैंने वैसे ही इसमें म्यूजिक डाला है, so it doesn't matter. Okay guys, it's been 35 minutes or so, and look at this. The half split chickpeas, they're becoming very soft. Oh, this become very good, I think. And the water is drying up as well. So after that, we're gonna stir fry ginger and garlic in a separate pan, and we will add that back to this pot, and it will be ready. So next, and we will add a little bit of garam masala to it. We can add it right now as well. So just a little bit. Yeah. So garam masala is just a mixture of different, like for example, it's a black pepper, it's a coriander powder, it's different things. Okay, we're gonna cook for next 10 minutes and then we're gonna stir fry garlic and ginger. Okay, now I believe the chickpeas are done. So we're gonna remove this and we will stir fry garlic and ginger. So we're gonna remove this off from here, and we're gonna add a pan, and we will add some oil to it. Just a little bit, and once it heats up, we will add ginger and garlic and we will add that back to the pot, and it's called tareeqa. Basically, it's a stir fry of ginger and garlic. So now the oil is heated up, so we're gonna add ginger and garlic. And we're gonna stir fry for a little bit, and we will add it back to the pot. Oh, look at that aroma! It's amazing.
Can I try?
Coriander while we're stir frying garlic and ginger. It's perfectly ready. We're gonna add ginger garlic back to it, and it will be all done. ये हो गया? Okay, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इसको दिखाया जाए, इसको डालना.